wala, hindi talaga masaya sa loob ng bahay, guys. She's looking at herself. Good morning.
Morning.
Morning, Daddy.
Morning, my beautiful.
Guys, aga nito nagising. Kagabi, madaling araw nagising siya. Nilabas ko siya. Nag-vlog kami, diba? Iyak siya ng konti. And then, nagising siya. What time is it now? What time is it now, Daddy? Daddy, what time is it now?
7:18, I think.
Yeah. So, nagising siguro to siya mga alas 6. She's just being cuddly. See? She's being cuddly. How are you feeling? Good morning, everyone. Aga ni Day Mike, guys. He's going to the gym. Ang ating Ate Paris ay nagising din siya. Lumabas siya ng kwarto. And akala ko gising na gising na siya. Hindi, humiga sa couch. Nakatulog siya, guys. Binigyan ni Daddy Mike ng kanyang blanket. Katulog ulit ang ating Ate Paris, which is good. Nanood kasi ako ng YouTube. Ganyan yung ginagawa ko kapag maagang lumigising ang ating baby Celine. YouTube ang aking libangan. Ba? Kaya tutulog din kaya ito? Ay, guys, dates pa? Late kasi yung work ni Daddy Mike today, guys. 10:30 yung start niya. Maaga siyang mag-gym kasi may appointment din si mama niyo mamaya. 9 o'clock. Kaya, take turns.
You're leaving here at 9 o'clock.
No, before 9. 8:50. Are you coming with me or staying here?
Where is it?
It's in Canon Hill.
Staying here.
It's 4 minutes in the car.
I'll take Celine and you take Paris. With you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Are you doing a vlog?
Yes, that's a vlog.
Good morning.
I'm doing a vlog, big girl. I'm not Mama. Are you going to Mama's appointment? You gonna come with Mama? How was your sleep on the couch?
Good.
Good? Tingnan niyo, cute ng kanyang pangtulog, oh. Nga pa, siya, dito na pa. You're sleeping where? Super cute. Here go, ate. Tingnan niyo.
Mommy, can I watch TV now?
Of course you can. Go, eat. Celine is eating. Oh, Lini! Hi! Tignan niyo. Wow! Pinakain ko na siya kanina, guys. Tapos na yun siya. You're a funny girl, Lini. You're a funny girl.
No, the phone is for baby food.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! Time check. It is 10:24 ng umaga and kakauwi lang namin ni Ate Paris from my appointment. And what did Mama do?
Made her eyelashes.
Eyelashes? Are you sure?
Her eye test? No, eyebrow test.
Guys, nagpa-eyebrow tint si mami niyo. Tingnan niyo. O, diba? Bonggacious. Medyo dark pa siya tingnan. Kasi nga, diba? Bago pa lang. Oh. So, yan yung ginawa ko, guys. It didn't take long kasi 4 minutes drive lang from here. And yeah, we have to be really quick kasi si Daddy Mike ay mag-work na. And yeah, so ngayon lang kami nakapag-vlog ulit ni Baby Paris. So, si Baby Celine ay kasama ni Daddy Mike. And I want to get Paris's thoughts about my eyebrow. What do you think? Good? Kasi hindi ito naglalay eh. Sinasabi niya pag pangit. No? Do you like it or no?
Yeah, I like
Have a look.
They look great.
Look great? Oh, thank you. Is the color fine? It's not too dark.
It's a little bit dark, but it's a bit lighter.
It's a bit dark, but it's a bit lighter? That's interesting. Nakita niya ang kanyang tatay. Sila sleeping sa pram. Naglakad pala sila.
Hello.
Is that my beautiful girl, Paris? Can I have a kiss, beautiful girl?
You're my prince.
And you're my princess.
Kayo na.
And I love you so much.
No, my pride.
Come on again.
You look so beautiful, Baba. I love you. You too, Mommy.
Is Celine sleeping? Thank
She is.
I do like that. Do you like
Do you
my
like-
eyebrows?
I do like Mommy's eyebrows. And they look magnificent.
I thought you said Maleficent.
No, magnificent. Alright, I gotta go to work.
Already still sleeping?
Yeah, what are you doing?
Anniversary kasi namin ni Daddy Mike nung 28th, guys. Na alam niyo ba, wala kaming ginawa first time in 6 years. Kasi nga, Baby Celine wasn't well. Until now, hindi pa rin siya 100%. But, nung araw talaga ng anniversary namin, wala, hindi talaga masaya sa loob ng bahay, guys. Kaya, yeah, hindi namin nakalimutan na happy anniversary, ganun, paggising sa umaga, and meron kaming regalo para sa isa't isa. Pero, hindi talaga kami, yung, alam niyo ba, yung normal thing na ginagawa namin na lumalabas, kumakain sa labas, kanyan, kapag may occasion. Kaya, yeah, ito pala yung eyebrow, isa sa mga regalo ni Daddy Mike sa akin. So, binilhan ako ni Daddy Mike ng Lorna Jane na activewear. And, yung pants pa pala kailangan i-exchange. Binili ni Daddy Mike size small yata. I need extra small, guys, especially sa yung activewear para hapit na hapit. Pangit kasi tingnan yung activewear na medyo loose pa. So, binilhan ako ni Daddy Mike ng may Thai massage pa. So, hindi ko pa yun siya na redeem. Sometime, I don't know, next month, pag may time tayo. Yeah. I think 1 hour yata yun na massage. So, I'm looking forward for that one as well. And then, ito siya, since nagka-time kaninang umaga nga kasi late nag-work sa Daddy Mike. So, napagawa ko ang aking kilay. Oh, diba? So, it's very tricky because yung kilay ko ay microbladed. So, 7 years ago. So, medyo red na yung kulay and ganun. So, yeah, I think the lady has done a great job for making it look, cool. Good job to you. And si mami nyo today ay Fink na Fink. As you can see, I'm wearing a pink jacket and my beautiful Teddy Blake pink, like fuchsia pink na handbag. So, yeah, halatang halata, diba? O halata ba, guys? Or hindi halata na I love pink? Kahit na pumunta lang ako sa appointment ko, guys, ay made sure na naka-outfit pa rin tayo kahit na dress lang sa ilalim, tapos ganito coat, and then palisan mo ng handbag and you look like you're like put together kahit na wala pang suklay ang buhok mo. Diba? It really makes a difference, guys. Yung mga accessories and everything. Since pink yung suot ko na coat, I decided na pink din yung bag na gagamitin ko. So, meron pala to siyang ano, guys. Today, hindi ko ginamit ang kanyang strap. Ayan. Handheld lang siya. Pag ganun lang. Kasi, hindi ko naman dala si Baby Celine. So, may ano ako, free yung aking kamay. And, there's no nappy or anything. Yung laman lang ng aking bag today is yung aking long wallet. And, that's it. Normally, I put nappies and wipes kasi kasya naman siya dito. Ayan. But since kami lang ni Ate Paris, hindi ko na kailangan yung mga ganun. And also, it was a very, very quick appointment. So, it was all good. Oh, and also, twinning pala kami ni Ate Paris today. Ate Paris is also using the other one, the little one. Show yours, Nak. Show your handbag, Nak. Tito and Tito. What are you wearing? What are you using today? Wow.
Pink.
Pink. How much do you love your handbag?
So much.
So much? What crazy pun man Yes. What do you think about it?
Think about pin stuff inside.
Yeah. And what do you think? Do you think it's cute?
Yes.
Yeah? Yeah. So hindi pa yan masyadong nasuot ni Ate Paris because Teddy Blake, actually guys, Teddy Blake gifted us this handbag. This one is from last year and that one is for this year, and Paris has been using it sa wedding na pinuntahan namin, yung flower girl siya. Ito yung gamit niya na bag. And yeah, it's just super cute, and we're twinnings. Ayan. And this one, yeah, I've used this one for few times now since I got it, and it's holding up very well. As you can see, it still looks brand new. Very durable leather. Tingnan nyo. See? Walang kagas-gas-gas-gas. Yung mga gold hardware niya ay still gold. Hindi siya nag-fade or anything. Beautiful handbag, and especially the color, guys. It's so masarap sa mata for me, ha, kasi favorite color ko to. Even though it's winter here, you know, that doesn't stop me from carrying like a summer color handbag. Because for me, all year round, masusuot mo to. Yeah, there once a time na medyo maulan sa labas and hindi naman siya medyo nabasa siya konti, but can't see any damages or anything like that. Wala. If you'd like to get your hands onto these handbags, guys, you should definitely check out their website, www.teddyblake.com. Especially right now, they are currently doing a 4th of July sale, and it's massive, guys. It is up to 75% off. And that's such a great deal. I think it's amazing price, and I recommend this handbag, Teddy Blake handbag, because I've been using it. It's proven and tested now. I've had this for over a year and it's still looking gorgeous, you know, just like when I took it out from the box. Sobrang ganda pa rin niyang tingnan, and I think it's because of the quality of the leather na ginagamit ng Teddy Blake sa kanilang mga handbags, and also the craftsmanship, of course. Ayan, hindi lang siya parang quality, it's also, you know, also looks cute, like the style and the way they made it.
A few moments later.
Time check, Tito, Tita. It's 2:53 ng hapon. Sa labas kami kasi hindi umuulan. Cloudy lang siya. Tingnan nyo, walang araw. Pero hindi siya sobrang ginaw. Here's our baby Celine. Say, hello everyone. Hello, Celine. Hello everyone. Where are we going? Where are we going? Do you know? Hi. Say hi here, Ate.
I know where we're going.
Where are we going? Come here. Say hi. Go. Ang daming bit-bit, oh.
We're going to post office in the park. And
Ang daming destination, eh. So, first, punta kami ng post office kasi may kailangan akong i-post.
and the library.
I don't think we can go to the library now. It's so late now. So, we can just go to the park. Yeah? Punta pa ako ng post office kasi kailangan ko itong i-post, guys. So, I sold
Can we
something.
go library next time?
Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung ano ko, ha? Yes, we can go, ano. So, here's the MCM zippy wallet. Ayan. Sa loob, pamay na lang. Mine, cherries. And then, a black wallet. Ayan. So, kahapon ko to siya nabenta. Hindi ako nakapunta ng post office. So, this is the time. This is the moment. And then, nadalhin ko to sila sa park. Tapos,
This is my friend.
tapos pick upin namin yung mga pinadry clean namin kasi malapit yun sa park. So, we're trying to do everything this afternoon. And hopefully, walang magsusok dito sa kanila. Na? Anak?
My video.
What are you doing there? Hi. How are you, everyone? Is my Celine sleepy?
Let's follow me my vlog now.
Ate Paris is vlogging now too, guys. Tingnan nyo, oh. Meron na siyang camera. Ate Be, so how do you vlog? Show me?
I'm gonna take a picture
Okay,
first.
hang on, okay.
My dad, let's take a picture with the camera.
Okay, okay, give me.
Smile.
Okay, come here, move here, move here, move here. Smile, okay? Smile. Oh, nice. And then how do you vlog? Show me. Show me.
So, I is just play here.
How do you say hi, guys, like that?
Hi guys. Say welcome back to your channel.
Okay, welcome back to our channel.
So, where are we going today?
Can you tell me?
You know it.
Okay. We're going to the park. I to the post office first. You're the one who's vlogging na. You should vlog. Okay. Tapos na kami sa post office. Nandito na kami ngayon sa harapan ng park. Kaya nga lang, umiiyak ako kasi gusto na lumabas, oh. Kasi nandiyan na yung park. Tapos yung kanyang kapatid ay humihilik man. Can we give her at least 5 minutes, no? Yeah? Is that okay?
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay, 5 minutes, alright? And then we're going to the park. Andyan lang yung park,
No,
guys.
I want you to give 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Aww. You're so kind. Thank you.
Or 11 minutes.
11 minutes. Okay, bigay ka. Kung na pa may
So
hanip.
just give 10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes.
Because that's not a long time.
Can you wait for Celine?
Yeah.
Good girl you are. So, yung dry cleaner, guys, ay nandyan lang din. Andyan lang sa... Somewhere there.
Did you remember they were closed?
Yeah. Even though they're closed na, we can still pick it up. High-tech naman sa kailangan. Ano na lang, yung pick-up code lang yung ilagay. Tapos, mapipick up mo na kahit walang tao ba. Ay, ang ating baby Celine. Hayaan ko na lang muna, guys.
And I'm giving.
Pero ayoko siyang ipatulog ng sobrang haba kasi katulad kahapon, grabe, taas ng tulog niya sa sasakyan. At alam niyo ba, kagabi, ay nagsuffer kami kasi parang restless siya kagabi kasi nga siguro taas yung tulog niya sa daytime. Sa gabi hindi siguro siya sleepy, but natulog naman siya, guys. Kaya nga lang pag ganun ba, paiyak-iyak. Update sa ating bro is life, Kilay is life. Tingnan niyo, oh, diba? Winax pa to siya, guys. Sakit pa naman ng wax. Masyadong strong, I think masyadong dark ba? What do you think? So, yung maglalighten lang siguro yan siya pag, ano na, mamaya. Ito pala yung pants na bigay, hindi kita ba? Bigay ni Daddy Mike sa akin sa anniversary namin. Ayan. So, this is from Lorna Jane. Very comfortable, guys. Especially sa mga araw na ganito na we'll take the kids to the park. Ganyan. Sobrang, ano. Ayan. Very warm for this weather as well. Nakalabas na sa kanyang lungga. Oh. Hindi makapaghintay eh. Kailangan namin gisingin daw. Let's go play. Let's go play, Nini. Nakuha pa sa mama eh. So, dyan kami nag-park. Ayan yung sasakyan. And then, the dry cleaner is just there. See? Dry cleaners. Wala namang ibang bata. Ay, meron isa. Sisiyahan yan siya pag may kalaro. Hold her na ka. Nini! Like this up. Whoop! Whoop! Ate, Paris. Have a look. She's looking at me. Oh. It's so cute. Yay! Ready, steady, go! Ready, steady, go! Yeah. Do you like it? Gentle knock. Gentle
I'm
lean.
going to slide now. I want to get off.
Just wait for a second, huh? Give some time for
I
Celine.
want to get off.
Okay.
My case stuff us now.
Oh, she's smiling.
My case stuff us now.
Okay. Alrighty. You can
My
go.
case clean off now.
It's okay. You can go. Celine can sit there by herself. She's a big girl.
No, big girl.
You are a big girl too.
Do you know where I'm gonna go next? The
Where?
slide, or the seesaw, or the sandpit, or the monkey bars, or the
I think
ring.
the slide.
Good job.
Yeah. Okay, I'll bring Celine. Where's Daddy Paris? Nini, where's Daddy Paris? Where's Daddy Paris? Hi. Come on.
Like this time I want you to catch me.
Okay.
I want to catch.
Okay, I'll put Celine down.
Mine. I want you to catch me this time.
After park, dito kami sa bakery na sa harapan lang ng park, guys. What have you got there, ate?
You could cookie.
And Mama's got fresh cream donuts.
Donut.
And this one, ay shush, Didi. Bahay na kami ulit. We are home. Na-pick up na namin yung pina-dry clean namin.
Son, Justin, house.
So, we'll see kung nalinis ba nila ng maayos. Kasi yung iba dito ay nag-mold, guys. Kasi nilagay ko siya sa isang parang dust bag ba. Tapos, kasi nga diba last time sabi ko sa inyo na we had issue with molds here. Kaya nagka-mold yung iba. So, we'll see if they clean it properly. We'll have a look na ha. So, first thing first is this. Ayan. So, this Fendi scarf. Alright. Ayan. So, for the scarf, guys, they charge $10 for cleaning. So, we'll hang this one up to make sure na clean na ha. The second one is this. Ah, okay, I think they cleaned it properly. This is my Louis Vuitton skirt na pink. Oh, nice. Oh, what is? third one is the set. So, sinuot ko to siya nung wedding, guys. Pumunta kami ng friends. Yun lang yung pagsuot ko. Tapos, pinalinisan ko na. Kasi wala na namang ibang fashion. Hop, 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 hop. And then, I got this. Yeah, Burberry polo shirt. Dry clean ko na rin. Benta ko siguro to. Benta ko to. And then, last one is... Yung anak, last one, anak. Yung dress ni Ate Paris sa, yung flower girl siya. Oh, they did a great job na. Okay. I sleeping at one baby.
Just when you confirm, signing potentially on a holiday website.
Hello. Benak. Paiyak-iyak guys dinala ko pa sa bath. Na. Did you have a bath? Yeah. Ang bahaw. See? Leftover from last night. Rice and bihon. Yan yung dinner natin. Nasa baunan pa. Nag-pizza lang kasi guys kanina. Nagutom pa ako.
Yeah, that's right people. Father of the year.
Ang olirang ama. Then,
Care of his daughter.
siya talaga yung nag-ready kay Paris for bed kasi si mami niyo ay nandoon kay Baby Celine. Kaya, siya yung nagpapaligo, nag-massage ng cream, sukulay ng buhok. Hagdan, Daddy.
What are you gonna give me tonight for that? What are you gonna give me?
Uy,
Where's my
why are you so naughty?
reward? I'll take